Well, spring has begun. Let's see what birds are around in town. It's been a quiet last few weeks in town. Here are a few birds I've seen in my neighbourhood. This is a brown-eared bulbul. Lots of these passing through right now. This is the classic Japanese dirt bird. They're common pretty much everywhere. Lots of dusky thrush still around in town. This is a pale thrush, much more skittish than the dusky thrush. I don't usually see this species in winter, but this individual has been around since the middle of February. This is a female yellow-throated bunting in the park near my apartment a couple of days ago. It was very difficult to get close to. This is a long-tailed Rosefinch. This is a rustic bunting, and this is a male Brambling. In the local park, the water in the moat has melted, and this great egret was fishing there. In the same park as the egret were a few common ducks like these Goosander and this Eurasian teal. A couple of weeks ago, lots of swans and geese passed through the local farmland. Here we can see whooper swan and greater white-fronted goose. These are rooks, a winter visitor to Japan. There are several flocks scattered across South Hokkaido. These were feeding in the farmland near Lake Onuma. Not a great month for photos in town. Here are a few that missed the cull. Thanks for watching.